with the society.
Now, over 5,000 sorghum farmers in Mwea are earning millions. This is after selling over 800 metric tons of sorghum to brewers through contract farming. Sorghum farming has thrived in the arid and semi-arid parts of Kirinyaga County since its introduction in 2022, following prolonged droughts that affected maize harvests. Beatrice Karanga, a farmer, shared that she previously struggled to harvest more than 2 bags of maize per acre. However, she now harvests up to 50 bags of sorghum, which brewers buy and pay for instantly.
Unapata pesa haraka, hata kukosa mvua ikikosa kunyesha, kukiwa kuko na mvua ndogo, mtu ana harvesti sorghum.
Na hii mmea tukiangalia tunaiona ni mmea mzuri na inatupatia matokeo mema, na inatusaidia kwa sababu wakati wa kuuza tunauza na pesa ile tunapata.
We are expecting a good yield from the 1,100 farmers. Even if we expect probably not a ton from each acre, we expect around 0.8 tons.
At the end of this month, we'll be harvesting our sorghum, and we expect to have anything between 800 and 900 metric tons, meaning at a cost or at a buying price of 48 shillings per kilogram. There will be an injection of about 40 million into this economy, which I think is a good thing.
Right now.